Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: browsers updated, backups ready, and admin access on each device. Install a reputable ad blocker extension and enable strict filtering. This removes most display ads immediately. Once done, configure lists, enable easy list and a privacy list so trackers and banners are targeted. Make sure to create a browser profile backup before changes. This prevents accidental loss and allows quick rollback. Next, keep a short list of sites you might whitelist later for functionality reasons. You move into detailed execution. Enable anti-tracking, cosmetic filtering, and script blocking in the extension so inline ads and placeholders disappear. Then add custom filters targeting persistent ad domains and remove large iframe selectors that slip past defaults. If you control the network, deploy a host's file tweak or piehole to block ad domains at DNS level. This stops ads on apps and any device without extensions. Once configured, test with incognito and normal windows to confirm both per browser. You finish by verifying results on all devices and browsing modes. Adjust filters and whitelist only sites that genuinely need it. Make sure to clear caches and restart browsers if ads persist after updating lists, as stale resources can serve old banners. If a page breaks, disable the specific rule or use the extension's element picker to remove the precise ad element rather than broad rules. This preserves site functionality. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable extensions to isolate conflicts, then re-enable them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.